Prophet Haggai, commemorated on December 16th. The Holy Prophet Haggai was the 10th of the 12 minor prophets. He was of the tribe of Levi, and he prophesied during the times of the Persian Emperor Darius Hystaspes, prior to 500 BC. Upon the return of the Jews from the Babylonian captivity, he persuaded the people to build the second temple at Jerusalem, and he proclaimed that the Messiah would appear in this temple in the last times. It is believed that Haggai was buried with the priests at Jerusalem, since he was descended from Aaron.
Ave